Hey, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the easiest online money-making system for beginners to try. And I'm actually going to go over to my computer and show you a non-technical way you can start earning money today if you're completely new to anything making money online. Let's go. What is the easiest online money-making system for a beginner to start with? Now, for a beginner, you're looking at one major thing when you're working on the internet. You want to do stuff that requires no technical skills. So what does that mean? What does that mean specifically? Let's define this and chunk this down of what no technical skills involves. You don't want to have to deal with a website. Second thing, you don't want to have to deal with a product. Because if you're selling your own product, you're going to have to set up so many different things. You're going to have to set up shipping and fulfillment. You're going to have to set up a CRM. You're going to have to set up so many systems when dealing with physical products, compliance, GDPR, VAT, all this stuff, taxes. There's so many different systems. It's way too technically complex. That leaves us with very few options. Okay. Now, the easiest online money-making system for beginners really leaves us with this, which is affiliate marketing. Okay. Affiliate marketing is the act of selling another person's product and receiving commissions for that. And that's what I do, and I earn millions of dollars per year doing that. Now, what I'm going to show you is a very simple method which is meant for a beginner to start with affiliate marketing. And simply put, all this system requires is for you to post a link on your Facebook account. So what are we going to do? The easiest money-making system for a beginner to start out with is simply doing a Facebook post and including an affiliate link. Okay, not too hard, right? This is one of the easiest places to get started. This is the easiest place to get started. Here, come with me to my computer and I'll show you exactly how. So here we are on Amazon. Now, if you scroll to the bottom of Amazon, you'll see in the footer is a little area that says make money with us. Okay, make money with us, which, I mean, isn't that great? You know, Amazon's asking to make money with them. But you'll see here, there's a number of different options. And one of them says become an affiliate. Okay, so if we click on that, it'll say affiliate program.amazon at Amazon, and you can earn commissions for any product that you recommend for people to buy on Amazon. Now, people are already buying like billions of dollars of stuff on Amazon every single day. So, and you can earn a percentage of that just by recommending people what to buy. It's really great. Now, when you sign up for Amazon's program, what you'll get at the top of your site is this little thing. You'll get what's called Site Stripe. So you'll get this little, see it says Amazon Associates Site Stripe, and you'll be able to generate what are called affiliate links. And I'll show you that in a second. But whenever somebody clicks on an affiliate link and buys the product, you make money. Now, let's look up a product so we can create our affiliate link. So here we have one of my favorite books, which is Millionaire Fastlane. It had a big effect on my life, purchased a couple years ago. And let's say I want to get my affiliate link. So I'm going to grab, see, I click get link, and I right click and click copy. Now, all I need to do next is I need to go to Facebook, and we're going to use a little format for this. We're going to tell a story, and you can do this too, but I suggest you pick a book of something that's affected or changed your life, okay, or a CD, a book or a CD, something that's had a major effect on your life. Now, I'm going to write a story about this. The format is going to be roughly, we're going to tell a story about how this book or CD was relevant. We're going to talk about the pros of the book, and we're going to talk about the cons of the book, and then we're going to make a recommendation. Okay? Now, this is a very simple format for marketing a product, and what we're doing here is called copywriter. It's a form of marketing. So I'll start off with my story. I'll say something like, I used to feel suffocated working a job I hated every single day. I felt like my life had so much potential and promise in college, yet when I joined corporate America, I felt stagnant and disconnected from my work. Not only that, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to create a story that sells. Okay? And I'm trying to create connection. Because ultimately, the only reason people buy is because there's some sort of connection. That's called marketing. It's the same thing as marketing and sales are two sides of the same coin. Sales is just done in person, whereas marketing is done online with words and text and images. So I'm going to finish writing this story, and then I'll explain it to you. Not only that, but I wasn't making much money. So I just wrote a real quick Facebook post. It took me a couple minutes, and I'm just going to explain it, what I did, so that you understand what I'm doing here in terms of affiliate marketing. So I wrote a post, and the general format I followed was I told a little bit of a story. I talked about the pros of the book, talked about the cons of the book, and I made a recommendation. Now, if you see here in this story, I started off with something that is very relatable from a first-person perspective. Again, if you're just like in sales, if you're marketing products online, you want to actually relate to the person. You don't want to speak in broadness. So I said, I used to feel suffocated working a job I hated every single day. Now, a lot of people can relate to that. And I saw a recent poll, 84% of people hate their job in America. And the number is even higher in China and Japan, is that something like 93% of people hate the job they're working for. So a lot of people are going to relate to me when I speak about that. And I told people that I was looking to become a successful entrepreneur, but, so I tried to find, I started reading some books. And I talked about the pros of the book, which I talked about some good things about it. I talked about some bad things about it as a, very kind of in-your-face title, and it doesn't have a step-by-step system to follow. And then what I did was I made a recommendation at the end. I said, if you're looking to change your life, if you're looking to work for yourself, read this book. And I put my affiliate link in there. So anybody who clicks on that link or clicks on this post in Facebook can make a commission off of. So that is the easiest money-making system for a beginner. Try online. All you need to know how to do is copy and paste a link, right? And all you need to do is tell a story. And that's what we do all day. But the only quote-unquote technical bit is copy, paste. And anybody using a computer can do copy, paste. So if you took something away from this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you recommended if you tried out this method on Facebook in the comments below. And post your story there, because I'd love to see your stories. And if you are looking for a step-by-step system to get started with your online business, I actually have a free 2-hour training. The link is in the description that you can sign up for, which will go over exactly how to start your online business step by step. Thanks for watching.